My name's Alistair, and I'm the product specialist here at Equisys. I'm going to be showing you how you can use Zetadocs to send personalized batches of invoices from Business Central using Zetadocs. Now, just before I get started, I'd just like to let you know that Zetadocs functionality can be used with any page or report with Business Central or Microsoft Dynamics NAV. I'm just going to be using electronic invoicing as an example of how you can use Zetadocs. So if we just navigate to our posted sales invoices within our Business Central system, and let's just order this. To send out that personalized batch of invoices, all we need to do is click the Zetadocs Send button, and then select the range of documents or the documents we'd like to send out in the batch. Once we're happy, all we need to do is click OK, and then Zetadocs will prepare that personalized batch of invoices for our customers. This is also where Zetadocs will apply any customer-specific rules we might have, apply the relevant templates and stationery to those emails, and then also select the appropriate recipients, so the relevant people it's going to, and also the relevant people you want to CC or BCC onto the emails. If I could just draw your attention to this consolidate emails function at the top of the screen, when toggled, any time we've got multiple invoices going to the same customer, so the example here is with the Tray Research Company, we can actually make sure that instead of having our customers be bombarded with multiple emails with an invoice attached to each, we just consolidate all of the invoices in our batch into a single, easy to consume email. So once we've finished reviewing all of these things, making sure the appropriate template's been selected and also the relevant recipients, all we need to do is click OK. And then Zetadocs will send out that personalized batch of invoices to our customers. To make sure that those documents have been sent out okay, let's just navigate into our outbox. We can see here that we've sent out that personalized batch of invoices. Looking at the email body for each of these invoices, we can see it's been personalized to the company name, the relevant invoice number, and also if there is an account manager, it will apply the relevant account manager in the body as well. Going into the attached document, so the invoice itself, we can see that the invoice template has been personalized to our organization and also has our stationery and logo being applied. If I can also draw your attention to these additional attachments that have been sent out along with the invoice, we can see that whenever we, as Contonzo, send out one of our invoices, we also attach our terms and conditions, and then we can also see that we have now got a special offer running that we also send out with those posted sales invoices. If I just go into one of the other examples, we can see here, this is the example of the Tray Research Company, and we can see here we've got both of the invoices being attached to this one email for a nice, easy to digest experience for our customers. Let's now say that we go back into Business Central, and we want to know which documents we've sent out from Business Central. If I could just draw your attention here, please, to the Zetadocs fact box to the right-hand side. This is a way that Zetadocs keeps a full record of any incoming documents, so any documents that we as the organization want to archive against one of the records within Business Central, or as we've just done now, any outgoing documents. So any documents we send out from Business Central will also be stored here in the fact box. And if we notice, it's got a record of sales invoice 103002. And if we want to review that, we can just click on that link, and that will take us through to the relevant item. So if, for instance, we've now received an email from one of our customers with regards to one of these invoices, how would we actually record that against the relevant record within our Business Central system? So let's say we've just received this email from April notifying us that they will pay the invoice as soon as possible. So what we want to do is just drag and drop that into the Zetadocs fact box, and that will then archive it to a SharePoint location outside of Business Central for quick and easy access from anybody within our organization. Thank you very much for joining me from this brief demonstration about how Zetadocs can help streamline your business processes. If you'd like to know more about Zetadocs, please don't hesitate to reach out to our sales team to either book an in-person demonstration or a live demonstration, or if you have any further questions, please also feel free to reach out. Thank you very much, and goodbye.